The number one SUV in this video is not the longest lasting thing on this list. It isn't close, and the data still made it number one. By the end, you'll see the single chart that explains why, and on 3 of these 7, the exact model years that turn a smart buy into a trap. 7 used SUVs, all under $25,000, everyone endorsed by the data. No gambling, no projects, no fine print. Why used at all? Because the average new SUV now runs close to $50,000, and more than 1 in 5 new car buyers is signing up for a payment over $1,000 a month. So, used under $25,000, and every pick had to clear 3 bars. Real listings at sane mileage, proven data behind it, and no known landmine years inside the range we recommend. One thing shapes the whole list. How long a car lasts and what it costs to run are 2 different questions, and they don't always agree. I'll tell you which one every pick wins. Let's go. Number 7. The Honda Pilot. The case. Of everything on this list, the Pilot has the best odds of reaching 250,000 miles. 13% against a 4.8% average. So why is it only number 7? Because of this chart. 2015, 108 complaints. 2016, 1,674. A 15-fold jump in a single model year, and about 800 of those are the engine. 2017 stays ugly. 2019 spikes again. The window is 2018. 429 complaints, and about $19,000 for a nice EXL. 2 rules before you buy. Skip the touring and elite trims. They carry the 9-speed automatic that owners have been fighting since 2016. LX, EX, and EXL get the 6-speed you want. And budget the timing belt service. This V6 runs a belt, not a chain. Therefore, the Pilot goes the distance. Be picky about which one you bring home. Number 6. The Mazda CX-5, the one you'll actually enjoy driving. We once said it quietly hangs with Toyota and Honda. That was too generous. 2 Toyota and Honda. In the repair cost data, the CX-5 ranks first. Not competitive with, first out of 26 SUVs in its class, at $447 a year. Mazda skipped the turbo craze, kept the naturally aspirated Sky active, and the complaint file shows it. About 200 complaints a year, second lowest in this video. The window? A 2019 or 2020 at around $19,000. The trade-off is real, the smallest rear seat in cargo here. Therefore, if reliable but boring sounds like a punishment, this is your exit ramp. And it's the highest rated vehicle in this entire video. Number 5. The Subaru Forester, with an asterisk I won't bury. The trap first. Skip 2011 through 2014. Those carried the 2.5 boxer with the oil consumption problem. A class action stretched those repairs to 8 years or 100,000 miles. And that coverage has now expired on every affected car. No safety net left. And I'll be straight about the later cars too, because the draft of this script got it wrong. They are not data clean. 21st of 26 in repair costs, $632 a year. About 200 more than a CR-V every year you own it. The number 1 complaint category isn't even the engine. It's visibility. Windshields. Over 1,000 complaints. So, why is it here? Because nothing else does this job. Standard all-wheel drive. Huge glass. Genuinely great in snow. And around $22,000 for a 2020. Therefore, buy the Forester for the mission, not the record. And budget for a windshield. Number 4. The Toyota Highlander, returning champion from our 300,000-mile list. 12.7% of these reach 250,000 miles. 2.5 times the average car. And miles on a Highlander simply matter less. 90,000 with service records is middle age, not retirement. The quiet headline is the engine chart. 2014, 6 engine complaints. 2015, 11. 2016, 10. 3 straight years where the engine barely generated a complaint. 2016 is the cleanest year of the bunch, and an XLE runs about $19,000. Take the V6. The hybrids are genuinely better. 31% to 250,000 miles, third best of any vehicle on the road. But taxi fleets figured that out first, and they'll outbid you. Therefore, for family plus longevity, this is the safest 25 grand on the list. Not the cheapest, the safest. Number 3, the Lexus RX, the loophole in the entire luxury market. Under $25,000 buys an RX 350 with real luxury, real quiet, and Toyota bones underneath. We ran Lexus against the Germans in our engines video, but that was sedans. The SUV numbers are worse. Average yearly repair and maintenance, the RX 350, $550. The Audi Q5, $928. The BMW X5, $1,166. The class average is $807. The Lexus beats the whole segment by a mile. Shop visits tell the same story. 4 unscheduled repairs per decade against the Q5's 12. In the federal complaint file, it averages 89 complaints per model year, the lowest in this video by a factor of 2. The catch at this price is age, so condition beats year. A pampered 10-year-old with dealer records beats a rough 7-year-old every time. Therefore, the badge says Lexus. The maintenance bill says Camry. Number 2, the Honda CR-V, the cheapest vehicle to run in this entire video. $407 a year, second of 26 in its class. Massive interior for the footprint, sips fuel, but this is the sharpest year cliff on the list. 2017, 1,743 complaints. 2018, 2,100. That's the 1.5 turbo oil dilution era. Fuel sneaking past the pistons into the oil. And the biggest 2-year block of complaints anywhere in this video. Honda extended the warranty on the affected parts to 6 years, unlimited miles. Do the math. 6 years from a 2017 sale ended in 2023. The safety net is gone, so don't buy the years that needed it. Your window, 2020, 2021, 2022, 336, 313, and 243 complaints, starting around $18,000. Therefore, nobody ever got excited about a CR-V, and nobody ever got stranded by one. Check the year on the windshield sticker. And number 1, the Toyota RAV4. Remember the opening? This is the paradox. The RAV4 is not the longest-lasting thing on this list. It isn't close. 7.3% reach 250,000 miles, below the Pilot, below the Highlander, below the Lexus, below the CR-V. If you came for a longevity champion, scroll back to number 7. So why is it number 1? Cost, first, $429 a year, third of 26. Because America's best-selling SUV means flooded used lots, sane prices, parts everywhere, and cheap insurance. But here is the chart I promised you. 2016, 234 complaints. 2017, 301. 2018, 329. Then the redesign lands, and 2019 jumps to 872. $25,000 buys the calm years and stops right before the messy one. Your budget lands exactly on its good years. A 2018 XLE is about $17,000. Therefore, buy the 4th generation, not the first year of the 5th. It's the index fund of cars. Recap grid is on screen. Screenshot it, take it car shopping. Notice the badges: Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, Lexus. The data keeps electing the same governments. That's not bias. That's millions of ownership records actually read. But the real lesson is the year. A 2016 Pilot and a 2018 Pilot are the same car with the same logo and nearly 4 times the complaints. The badge gets you onto the shortlist. The model year decides whether you were right. Next video, we settle the oldest fight in this segment: Camry versus Accord. Every dollar over 5 years. Purchase, fuel, insurance, maintenance, depreciation. There is a winner, and the margin surprised me. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.